At SafeTREC, I am a policy and program analyst, currently leading the Street Story program. Street Story is an online engagement platform that allows community organizations and agencies to collect information about transportation crashes, near misses, hazards, and safe places to travel within the state of California. The tool is free and publicly accessible, and anyone 13 years or older can submit information into the tool. The platform is available in English and Spanish, and we're currently exploring the idea of translating the platform into Mandarin to make the tool more inclusive for our communities. What inspired me to work in active transportation was the lack of knowledge I had about active transportation. I really wanted to learn about how policies and planning decisions directly affected public health, and to use my background in public health to discover the most effective ways of approaching those decisions and help convey that information to the communities they directly impact. The key element of a successful active transportation program is to always keep the ideas and the goals of the community as top priority. That is the only way that any project or program can be successful and any efforts made can be sustained. Community engagement helps to center the focus of the work that needs to be done. It helps us to understand that people should always have the final say because they are the ones affected by the decisions made on the federal, state, and local level. The most important lesson I've learned from a recent active transportation project or program is that communication is key. It is imperative that leaders continue to be actively involved and listen to their voice to help make changes that are necessary and critical to the advancement and safety of their communities. If I had a superpower and could change anything, the future of active transportation safety will look like a place where humans automatically understood that prioritizing walking, biking, and rolling will help to tackle multiple public health concerns we're facing today. As it relates to climate change, chronic diseases, and motor vehicle accidents. More walking, biking, and rolling equates to better physical activity, which can hugely impact individual and environmental health.